Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to share a brochure, menu, or downloadable guide on your Squarespace site, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link to a PDF in Squarespace 7.1, step by step, fast, and easy. Whether you're a beginner or you've been using Squarespace for a while, by the end of this video, you'll know how to add professional looking PDF links that your visitors can open or download with just one click. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. Head to the homepage and click Login. If you use Google, you can save some time by clicking Continue with Google Sol. Once you're in, select the specific website you want to edit. This makes sure you're working on the right site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now click the Edit button to enter editing mode. Find the section or text where you want to place your PDF link. For example, download our menu or view the full guide. Click on that text block to open the text editor toolbar. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. Once the text is selected, look for the link icon. It looks like a little chain link in the toolbar. Click it and a small menu will appear with several options. From the drop-down menu, choose File instead of URL. This is the key step that lets you upload and link directly to a document. Now click Upload File. Browse your computer and select the PDF you want to share. Maybe it's your product catalog, an event program, or a digital portfolio. Wait a few seconds for the file to fully upload. Once it's done, Squarespace automatically links that file to your highlighted text. Click Apply or Save, and that's it. You've successfully linked your PDF on your Squarespace 7.1 site. Now, when visitors click that text, your PDF will open or download instantly, giving your website a more interactive, professional touch. If you ever need to update the document, just repeat the same steps and upload your new file. It's that simple. And there you go. You've just learned how to link a PDF in Squarespace 7.1 in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick Squarespace tips and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.